Pakistan. Pakistan is a country in southern Asia. It is next to India, Iran, Afghanistan, and China. It is officially called the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It has a long coastline along the Arabian Sea in the south. Pakistan has the sixth largest population in the world. Pakistan has a total land area of 880,940 km per square, 340,130 square miles, including the Pakistani administered territories of Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. This makes Pakistan the 34th largest country in the world. Pakistan has the 7th largest army in the world. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Flag of Pakistan. The green represents Islam and the majority, Muslims in Pakistan, and the white stripe represents religious minorities. In the center, the crescent and star symbolizes progress and light respectively. The flag symbolizes Pakistan's commitment to Islam and the rights of religious minorities. Map of Pakistan.